you are all doing okay in these times. Just calm yourself and everything will be fine. Don't lose your precious energy stressing out, just continue to do what you love. Also, if you are a kid or you have kids, please be super careful about Squid Game because a lot of children started playing some kind of Squid Game in real life after the TV show, and they obviously play without guns and bullets, but they apply physical aggression to the ones that are eliminated. So just be careful, please. So for today we are doing this makeup look, which I find really interesting and sexy. So no more talking and let's jump in. So I decided to do this makeup today because I feel like it's something a little bit more different and a little bit outstanding. But as I said in my previous videos, I try to convert all of my looks into something really wearable but still something that catches your eye. So to start off, I'm using this face cream from Avin, and today I want my face a little bit more dewy, so I won't use something mattifying. Also, I sometimes use an eye gel, but today I didn't feel the need to use it because my eyes weren't puffy. After applying the cream, I will let that sit until I finish my eye makeup and eyebrows because I want the cream to nourish all my skin really well before applying the foundation. First, I will start with my eyebrows, and for this look I want to make them as bushy as I can to enhance my eye makeup, and for this I will fill them a bit with some eyeshadow and add a little bit of brow soap. After finishing my eyebrows, I will clear them a little bit with some foundation and apply some powder to set the foundation. The powder that I'm using today is from Makeup Revolution. It's a powder that I kept using for a year and a half, and I still have left a lot from it, and honestly it's perfect for my needs. So if you are in need for a setting powder, you can check their powders because they are really good and super affordable. I will start with a little bit of brown to warm up my crease, and after that I will take this red shade and blend it well with a lighter shade of red. In the inner corners I will put a shade that is a little bit darker than my base shade, and under my eyebrow arch I will put a little bit of highlighter to lighten that area a little bit. After that I will put a little bit of mascara and then I will apply the falsies. In my first months of doing makeup, I don't know why, but applying the falsies was kind of challenging for me because I never wanted to cut them, so it was a mess because they would never stick in the corners. So yeah, you know. I mean, I think you know, you might not know, but whatever, now my eyes are done and I started to have some color on my face. Now I will do my foundation. After blending it till my hand was hurting, I will put a little bit of bronzer and a little bit of blush and highlighter. Now my face is done, so I go for my lips. I will do a nude shade and I guess you already knew that. My lips are done now and so is the makeup. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed watching me while I did my makeup, and while I'm messing around. Also, this is a painting that I did some time ago. I used to paint a lot. If you like it, please check the website in the description box where you can see more. So if you wanna see more videos from me, please like this video, share it massively and subscribe to my channel, and let's build this community. Also, don't forget to press that notification bell to not miss any of my videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.